Hey guys, so we're going to talk about fractions as division today, and a fraction is just a division problem, no matter how hard it might be. So we'll start with something really easy, like 10 over 2, which I know most people can do in their head, and just make it 5 over 1, which in turn just becomes 5 wholes. So now let's unpack why. This thing over here, 10 over 2, this over bit just means divided by. So we could rewrite this as 10 divided by 2, which I know we know is 5. Okay. Now, wait, what? That little division sign, that little fraction bar, even looks like division. If I wrote 10 really, really small over here, and I wrote 2 really, really small, and I drew a big bar, it would even look like a division sign if I kind of zoomed back far enough. Fractions literally are division. And this will work for literally any fraction on the planet. Okay. So if we have 3/4, okay, that's the same thing as saying 3 divided by 4. Mind you, 3, the numerator goes inside the house, 4, the divisor goes outside the house. We can't do 4 into 3 without going into parts. So we throw a 0 on top, a decimal, a 0 here, bring that decimal up. 4 fits into 38, nope, sorry, not 8, bad math moment. 7 times makes 28. 2 leftovers, create another 0, drop it down. 4 goes down to 20 5 times, nice and evenly, no stress. So 3/4 equals 0.75, which should be a good benchmark memorizing decimal for you. We'll add that to the list later. Okay. Now, this can also go the other way. So if you have something like 8 divided by 9, don't want to make it into a decimal? Cool, sometimes you don't need to. 8/9. Real easy. Now, let's talk about 8/9. 8/9 is a very complicated one because ninths are complicated. But if I wanted to make it a decimal version, that'd be 8 divided by 9. Provide lots of room, we're going to need it. Decimal 0, decimal. 9 fits into 80. 8 times makes 72. Get 8. That's curious, but okay. Put another 0 in, bring it down. 8 fits into 80. 8 times makes 72. 8 again. Frustrating, right? You're going to keep on going the same pattern over and over and over and over and over again. It'll be 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8, 8. You could literally spend your entire life doing this and you would never stop. So in order to simplify this and call it, we more or less just get rid of these bits over here. We use this repeating bar, which is actually called a vinculum. Fun factoid about those. So that will be written as 0.8 repeating, like that. Hope that helps. Thanks.